everybody. Hi, welcome. So happy you're here. Thanks for hanging out with me a bit today. If you're returning, a huge thank you for the support. If you're new, I'm Laura. This sleepy dog is Wyatt. That one is Xena. They like to hang out with me and just look cute. Hope you stick around and hit that subscribe. Today I am sharing my spring Curateur box. This is a seasonal subscription through Rachel Zoe. So a luxury subscription box filled with all kinds of fun goodies. It's usually around 5 items, valued at around $450. The cost is $99.99 a season. You can choose to buy it all at once, and that will save you about 50 bucks. So if you buy for the entire year at once, then your price does drop to $349.99, and I will put all the information down below. Let's dig right in. All right, so here's what I see as soon as I open my box, and it says Curateur, the premier shopping membership. And she does have a lot more than just the subscription box. So you can also join, I believe it's $10 a month, $9.99 a month, and then you get $10 in credit, and then you can shop all kinds of curated goods that she has. So she's expanding her offerings quite a bit. All right, but this is just the subscription box. So you get a little pamphlet in here that tells you all about the items inside. You do quite often get to make choices as to what you would like. So if there's jewelry, do you want gold, do you want silver, do you want a necklace, do you want a bracelet, things like that. So there's almost always choices to be made. So this is the spring collection. And I love that she usually mixes it up. There's always beauty products, something to wear. It's a really nice collection. I've always loved this. I've been doing it for quite some time now. All right, so first up, what I see is jewelry. This is by Marin Costello. And I believe that you had a choice to make with this one between earrings and a bracelet. I chose the earrings. And here's, I'm getting out so it comes in this nice little pouch. And it says, When Rachel Met Marin, on this little card. And it says, designed by Marin Costello and inspired by Rachel Zoe, this exclusive collection is our first demi-fine capsule, curated with a 14-karat gold-plated sterling silver base and white topaz precious stones. These delicate pieces will take you from day to night with ease and in true at-shop Marin Costello form. All right, so we're going to check these earrings out. The both the earrings, these are called the Mystique hoops, and the Solei bracelet, if you chose that one, are valued at $150. And they have these wrapped individually so you can, so they're protected, which I love and appreciate. So here's what this looks like. You can see that little stone there. They do have the back. Those are a nice size. Very pretty. And if you chose the bracelet, this is kind of what it looked like here. So it did have a stone on it, and it was a gold bracelet. And in the booklet, it will tell you ways to wear the pieces and tells you a little bit more about the designer as well. All right, I am going to slip on these earrings so you get a chance to see what they look like. So here's what they look like. What do you think? Those are pretty, right? Very pretty. I like those. She always sends jewelry. I love it. Okay, next up. I see an item here. All right, so next up I think was another choice, and I think it was between the scarf, which I did not pick. This was the Bindia New York chain scarf, which was valued at $65, so I did not choose this. This is it's very cute. And I'm trying to think what the choice was. I did not get the scarf, but I got the bag. I think it was the bag, I'm hoping. So this cute little bag is either that or my other item. It's hard to remember. You make your choices quite some time ago. Look how adorable this is. And Rachel is wearing it here in the picture. But this is called the Etsy crossbody and belt bag. $85 value. So you can make this into a belt or a crossbody, which I love the creativity of that. So this is very short right now. They have it as a belt, but look how pretty that is. And this is by Rachel Zoe. Let's see. It says, not only is our curator-in-chief an expert at styling, but she just as passionate about designing her own pieces, like the Etsy crossbody and belt bag in our spring box. Read along as she takes you behind the scenes of how this chic and versatile accessory evolved from daydream to wish product. And there's an entire story about it and how it evolved into the final bag, which she has a drawing in here of how it evolved. And here she is wearing it. And then the model is wearing it as well here. Very pretty. So there's an entire story about this one, but it is valued at $85. It does have a little magnetic clasp. And then inside here is what it looks like. I don't see any pockets, but it's big enough for your keys, your phone, your lipstick, all the necessities. Yeah, and then you, like I said, you can adjust this strap to wherever you want it, which I would probably do the crossbody like she's showing it in the picture. But the belt bag is a great idea just for hands-free. That is cute. Okay, we're going to keep going. Next up is something from Wonder. It says that this is the Double Date Lip and Cheek in Honeymoon, and it's a $22 value. Let's see if I can open this. And there's a story in here about the founders. Looks like there's two of them. Divya Gugnani, I probably said that wrong, and Lindsay Ellingson created their line to provide easy-to-use, on-the-go glam for busy women like themselves. So we asked them to show us how they do it all and look great. And there's a story in here all about it, so check that out. I, of course, have lipstick on, so this is probably not going to show up well. I like the consistency though. At least you can get a little bit of a sense of it. And here's what it looks like on my skin. It's really pretty. I like this. And then it is a double duty, so lip and cheek. $22 value. All right, and I have, let's see, two more items. What's next? This is called the Cold Plasma Plus Eye. Promotes, what does this say? It says promotes 5 most visible signs of youthful looking eyes. Okay, that sounds really good. This is by Perricone MD. Why your skin will love it. It says with its proprietary liquid crystal silver system, this potent yet lightweight cream smooths, brightens, firms, and even reduces puffiness before your very eyes. Pun intended. All right, and this is valued at $110. Created by aging expert and best-selling author Dr. Nicholas Perricone, this holistic skincare and wellness brand has been innovating the industry for over 2 decades. Its 3-tier philosophy promotes a 360-degree approach to healthy skin with diet, nutrition, supplements, and potent topical skincare. So here's what it looks like. All right, Advanced Eye Cream, $110. Well, we're going to get on that because I could use it. I have found most of the products that she shares are amazing, and then I always want to buy them afterwards. And you can usually get them from her shop. And by subscribing and sharing with your friends, you can usually get money and rewards to buy other products. So I'm pretty sure, like, if I share and any of you sign up using my referral, I think I get $15. I think you guys get $15 towards your next box, and then I get $15 towards my next box. I think it's either 15 or 25. But I'll put all the information down below for you. But it's always good to check that out. And then you can also, like I said, shop her products, which I tend to do for the items that I really, really like. I will rebuy them, and I'll check her site out first because they tend to be discounted. And then if you have any referrals or points, you can use those towards the items. All right, and my last item, sunnies, because spring and summer are coming. They are coming. These are by St. Owen and Curateur, it says. And these are valued at $95. They're the Wild Tortoise sunglasses. It says, as passionate music lovers and world travelers, founders and twin sisters Val Sanders and Michelle Hayner have created a line that's inherently rebellious and always infused with edginess. All right, let's check these out. I love a good pair of sunnies. Check these out. They have a bit of that cat eye look, which is one of my favorites. These are the tortoise. I like these. Oh yeah. These are nice. And they don't sit on my cheeks. I have like big cheeks. Puffy cheeks. But they don't seem to like hit my cheeks, which is amazing. These are adorable. What do you think of these? Very cute, right? And that's all the items in my box. Not bad collection. I got new sunnies. I got a new bag. I got some amazing eye cream. I got lip and cheek product. And I got new earrings. Well, that's all 5 items. What did you think? I think she did a great job curating this collection. I always have fun with it. I will put all the information for Curateur down below in case you would like to check this subscription out or like to check out her site. And I so appreciate you hanging out with me today. This is so much fun, as always. All right, hit that like before you go if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more. Would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.